What's the project today? I am fixing these ugly hinges on this igloo cooler. Broken, look at this. They always seem to fail. And the latches as well. I'm gonna replace them with these bits. And that was quick. I think under 10 minutes because I moved around a bit. So now I have, so these are recycled fire hose. This is indestructible material. So this acts as the latch. They can lift. Before I didn't have that lifting and hanging on capability. And here are the hinges in the back. They're stainless steel now. Right? Good job, Hayden. Good job.